How to cut, trim, split on Inshot. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Inshot application on your device. Next, tap on the video option available over here. So just cancel all these ads over here for now and tap on the video option. Then tap on any of the videos over here. As I tap on any of the video, all you have to do over here is simply tap on the video and you can select whichever area you would want to cut or split over here. So I'm going to select on this area, and then here you can see different menus at the top. So just drag it to the left and here you can see the option of split. So tap on split and here you can see the video has been splitted. So if you want to remove the other part of the video that you have splitted, you can just tap on delete option and it will get deleted. And here you can see you have cut, trimmed or split on Inshot. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.